Last time we had mouse, mice. This time it is louse, lice. Head lice are tiny creatures which are sometimes found on people's heads or in their hair. The eggs that these creatures lay are called nits. Often we do not like to talk about such things, but it is a fact that most small children catch head lice at some time. One day, when my daughter was only 2 years old, we noticed that she was scratching her head. We looked closely and, we found she had head lice. My wife went to the chemist's shop to buy a special shampoo to kill the head lice. My daughter went too. The chemist's shop was crowded, and there was a queue of people waiting to be served. My daughter sat happily in her buggy, holding her favourite doll. An old lady came up to her and smiled. "And what have you got, my dear?" she said.
"I've got lice,"
said my daughter in a loud voice. There was silence in the shop. Several people looked at their watches and realized that they had to be somewhere else very quickly. In about 20 seconds, the shop was empty. If you ever feel that you too would like to do your shopping without lots of other people around, why not take a child with head lice with you? Incidentally, do you know the word lousy in English? Literally, it means infested with lice, but in colloquial speech, we use it to mean bad. The weather is lousy today. I got a lousy mark for my German homework. I've got a lousy headache, and so on. Goodbye.